The piano has black keys and white keys. The easiest way to learn how to navigate is to learn the groups of black keys. They're always 2s and 3s, except for this one way over here. First, find a group of 2 black keys. Then find all the groups of 2 black keys with either hand. Then practice finding them with your eyes closed. Close your eyes and just feel around for a group of 2 higher keys. And then feel to the left or right for another group of 2 black keys. This is really important to do to learn how far apart everything is on the instrument. After you can find a group of 2 or a group of 3 with your eyes closed, then you'll be ready to work on memorizing the white keys. It'll be much easier.